Hey everyone, so I am making another amethyst and citrine bracelet. I am using a 0.5 millimeter stretch magic because these beads are kind of a little bit on the tiny side with small holes. So let's see how that goes. This is a bead stopper. This is for my new people, for the new beaders who may come across this video. So all you're doing, this is probably about 5 inches of wire. 10, I'm sorry, this is about 10 inches of wire. Not wire, but a stretch cord. And just stretch it, since it's so flimsy, it's not that thick. Just stretch it just a little bit. Like I said, these holes in here are kind of small, so you could barely see them. So that's why I use this 0.5. We're going to see how this holds up. Because you can't get a thick one piece of a thick bead. What was I saying? You can't get if you're using this, you can't. The thicker bead hole wouldn't work because it would be, too big for this, and it would be a flimsy bracelet. But we're going to see how this one do. I'm going to tie this one a little bit tighter, and I hope it don't break while I'm gathering it together and pulling it somewhat. So how was you guys? I hope your day was pretty good. Mine was okay. I've been, around here trying to figure out how to work these different modalities of YouTube. And let me know how my sound is, to make sure that this microphone is picking up pretty good. Because I want everything to be loud and clear. I don't want any more bad quality videos like I did before. So this is what I got so far. And this is like a 7-inch bracelet. Now this one probably is going to be for me since I'm using this thin. And even if I tried to double it, it wouldn't work because of the holes in these beads. So this one is, like I say, this is delicate. So I'd rather, keep this one for myself or to a family member so they'll know. And I'm like, okay, this is delicate. And anyway, anytime you have these, do not put these in water. Do not shower in your bracelets. I hope you guys aren't getting that in the background. If you do, let me know, because these are supposed to be noise cancellation. And you know what's sad? They just put a fire department right. It's not even a block. I could see it right from where I live. And I knew it was going to be a lot of noise when they put that fire department right there. Right on a busy corner also. No red light, and the traffic is horrible. Right there. So we're just tying it like this since it's kind of flimsy, and I try to stay in the film. I'm sorry. Because I got to get back into this. I miss y'all. So if anybody come across this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I think I'm like 198 people down now from, getting to that 1,000 mark. But, that too shall come also. I got a feeling once I, get back in the swing and start daily putting these videos up, I'll quickly get to the mark that I need to get to. So we just tie it off and tie the knot up above. Like I said, this is for me. And it just slipped through there. So that's what I come up with. This is a prosperity and calmness bracelet. I like this. Like I said, this is for me. So guys, I'm going to catch you in the next one. Faceted beads. Later.